Hello! In this video, we will show you how to convert AutoCAD drawings or MicroStation drawings and import them into SmartPlant P&ID system. First, let's take a look at the drawing that we are going to convert. Start our application. Add the drawing file. First, you need to configure the mapping of symbols and pipes. Press button Configure Mapping. We can see 4 tabs. First one is for general settings, such as destination drawing template, default symbol, and pipe, a symbol for label or nozzle. Next tab, Symbols, contains a distinct list of all symbols from the drawing file. To view a symbol from the list, click the Show Symbol button in the first column. Sub-symbol represent pipes, so we can skip them. Assign the PIA symbol for the selected symbol. We see that the orientation of the PIA symbol differs from the orientation of our symbol. Set an initial angle 270 for the current symbol. All other symbols are already assigned. On the next step, pipes, we can assign PIA symbol for lines based on their color, width, type, or layer. All lines are assigned. For signal lines, we don't need to process labels. On the last tab, Attributes, we can define templates for regular expression, which will be used to recognize attributes and their values for symbols and pipes. Save changes. Select Destination Plan Group. Start conversion. Import takes place in 3 steps. In the first step, symbols are imported and their attribute values are set. In the second step, signal runs and pipe runs are imported and attributes for pipe runs are set. In the third step, labels are imported. Import finished. The file is imported in 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Open the imported drawing. Open the original drawing. As we can see, all symbols, pipes and labels are scaled and fit into the SmartPlant drawing template. Let's check the setting value of the tag SIG No attribute for pipe run. The value should be 1173. Check the setting value of the fail action attribute for the showing valve. Valve should be FC. Open the configuration window for the selected drawing files. Switch to tab Symbols. For the selected symbol, press the Create Symbol button. Select Destination folder and set a file name. A newly created SmartPlant symbol is assigned to the selected symbol. Newly created SmartPlant symbol can be modified in SmartPlant Catalog Manager. Thank you for watching.